All right, let's find some side markers. Oh, I like this one right here, Depot. Looks like a factory. I want it. Hey, there we go. Ain't got no time for March 12th. Welcome back, guys, to another episode on Spending Jar. My name is Charlie, and today I'm going to show you guys how to install a side marker for your 10th gen Honda Civic. Now, particularly my Civic is a 2021 Honda Civic Hatchback EX model. Let's go ahead and install it. Okay, everyone, we're gonna go ahead and install our side markers. I got mine from Depot. Here's the box right here if you want to go and check that out. And of course, it comes with two or a pair of lenses for both sides. One comes in a yellow bag, one comes in a clear bag. The yellow is for your driver's side and the clear is for your passenger side, but by chance, if you just take it out without even thinking about it, that's okay. You can go ahead and just line up the side markers with your corresponding one. So that way, that's another way to figure it out. Installation shouldn't take too long, maybe about 5 minutes on both sides. You could go ahead and move your tires. You know, if you're installing your driver's side, turn your tires to the right if you need more room. If not, you could leave it as B, and I'm going to show you that way how you could just pop this open real quick. Let's go ahead and install her. Okay, guys, so I am going to go use a screwdriver just to go ahead and push the tab. I think it's going to be a lot easier than using your finger as well. And of course, for safety reason as well. Again, there are two tabs here if you need more space to move the bumper to the left, or again, you can move the tire to the right. This is the driver's side. All you got to do really is just go and pull this plastic back here. There is a little tab you see right here that pops right open, comes right out, and then once you press that, I'm not sure if the camera could see it, but there is a yellow tab right here that's clearly visible. All you're gonna do is use your screwdriver, go ahead and press that back, and then you're gonna go ahead and release the side marker. Just like though. So there's these little yellow tab. Go ahead and push it again with your screwdriver right here. There's little grooves that you could use. Push it down and then go ahead and pop it right open. To unloosen it, it's counterclockwise. So turn to the left and then twist, and there you go. Okay, so when removing the bulb, go ahead and use either a napkin or a glove or something, because you don't want the bulb to be dirty. This could be a little bit slippery. There you go. And Depot do provide two amber bulbs as well. I took one out already, but here is the bulb, the 194 bulbs. I'm gonna go ahead and just use these for now and see how they are in the future. You could always upgrade it to an LED version of this if you want. Go ahead and just put it back in reverse. There you go, just taps right in. And what I would do is just test it out and make sure it turns on before putting everything back together. Simple as that. All right, let's go ahead and take a look. Let me move the camera for you guys, get you guys a better angle here. Fitment looks great. I'm going to get in as close as I can. Looks good in my part from my eyes. Hopefully the camera's picking her up real well. It looks good, it looks perfect. My car is a little dirty, but let's go ahead and see how she looks when she's turned on. Alright, so it is the middle of the day right now, the afternoon, and that amber light, and I'm not sure how well that's going to pick up, but it looks good. Makes a huge difference the way the car looks. Let's go ahead and install the other side. Alright, that's it guys for the installation of my sight markers for my 2021 Honda Civic Hatchback. Hopefully you guys enjoyed, and it's an easy process to do. Literally took less than 10 minutes. If you guys appreciate this video, please don't forget to smash that like button, subscribe to the channel, and follow me along. I appreciate it guys. I'll see you guys next time. Peace. Reflection off the big sis Porsche. Ooh, you're looking good.